Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Last updated, 19th January 2023, 1901 Indian Standard Time Guwahati, India. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Guwahati has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with Assam Electronics Development Corporation. Representative image, Shutterstock image for representation. The Commercial Drone Flying School will offer commercial drone flying fresher courses and consultancy services such as renewing their drone flying license and help prepare students for drone flying tests. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Guwahati has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with Assam Electronics Development Corporation Ltd, Amtron, and Hobbytech Solutions, RCH, on 18th January 2023 to work together on strengthening and expanding drone-based training, research and development. Speaking during the MoU signing event, Professor Parmeshwar K. Iyer, officiating director, IIT Guwahati, said, the three organizations will work in tandem to actively engage in the research and development activities and the esteemed members of IIT Guwahati Drone Center and Technology Incubation Hub WIL. The Commercial Drone Flying School will offer commercial drone flying fresher courses and other related advisory and consultancy services such as renewing their drone flying license, secure necessary commercial drone permits, and help prepare students for drone flying tests. Along with this, the school will also connect the students with organizations that need professional drone flyers. IIT Guwahati along with the industry partners will work on initially developing few prototype drones with an aim of getting it certified by the Quality Council of India, QCI, which will be used in activities including agriculture, spraying seeding and crop health monitoring, and vertical takeoff. By utilizing the expertise of all stakeholders, a disaster response management system will be developed to address the identify and actuate any disaster in Assam. For the same, a team of students, professionals along with ready-to-fly surveillance and payload delivery drones will be set up for emergency response. For the same, IIT Guwahati will develop drones to cater to the needs of the state to contain disasters, Amtron will provide communication support, and RCH will provide necessary technical expertise in developing the drones and associated systems. Along with this, a disaster response cell will be established at IIT Guwahati which will be operated by the Drone Helpline Student Volunteer Team of the Institute and Amtron Drone Team. Speaking about the objective of the tri-party agreement, Biswajit De, co-founder, Edurate said, our mission is to train youths of northeastern region in emerging technologies so that they can upskill themselves and find relevance into the ever-growing technological landscape of current world. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.